Hey guys, welcome back. It's totally summer vibes already. I'm so happy. We just got back from Aldi. We actually brought my daughter a little picnic table to match our big picnic table. We're kind of getting summer ready out there. Well, we are pretty much summer ready. We have a lot of things to actually set up though. Am I dirty? But yeah, I just got her some cuties and some Doritos and some banana bread that I just freshly made, and I'm about to put away slash clean out all this stuff that we just got from Aldi. So we started out with, it was going to be an additional, I guess you could say 4 adults and 2 kids, but now they're not coming, so we have a little bit more stuff than we need for who's going to be here. I'm like dying of sweat right now. It's so freaking hot, and it's not even that hot, guys. But this shirt is really hot, so let me show you what we got. So my husband got hard cider, strawberries for my daughter. We got onions, garlic, we needed tortillas, and then we got some avocados. I was gonna make guacamole, but my mom actually bought some, so I'm not gonna make that now. In general, I needed rosemary, mild cheddar, and then we also needed some Parmesan. I got some fake Ritz, some kettle chips, original and jalapeno. Again, we were expecting a lot more people, which now we might just make one of these and save the other ones for a later date, but that's such a good price considering our prices now. Some chips for the avocado, guacamole. This is open because I thought my daughter wanted them, and then she said no because she wanted the Doritos. We got some smoked breadspreads. I don't know if he's tried that one. He usually picks the hot dogs, so these are the 2 that he picked at this time. We needed some American cheese. Was gonna make again guacamole, but not, so we have cilantro. Some lettuce. Yeah, lettuce, and then tomatoes. We never buy tomatoes, ever. That's like so bad, but we never have tomatoes in this house. And then the bread that he totally smushed for the burgers. And yes, I haven't taken out that from Easter. Yep, it's been months. And if you didn't believe me, Doritos. All right, I'm gonna quickly take out the energy drink for my husband, and then I'm going to quickly marinate the burgers so that they have a good flavor. All right, so the seasonings that I'm gonna use on the burgers: garlic powder, paprika, adobo, salt and pepper, and some. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna cut that stuff up and put it in there. Very simple, nothing crazy today. Normally, like if we have cookouts, we do meat and all that stuff, and like we do mushrooms and asparagus and all the good stuff, green onions and all that stuff, but not today. We're just having a very simple last minute cookout, so burgers and hot dogs it is. Since we're eating burgers and my daughter obviously doesn't eat burgers or hot dogs, I'm actually making some rice and quinoa and some broccoli, which is their favorite, so that she can eat that, you know, because although she loves Doritos, that's not gonna be her dinner. She wishes. In other news, my banana bread came out so pretty. Alright guys, so I'm actually gonna call it a video. I really hope this wasn't too boring and at least a little bit entertaining. I'm about to take my daughter a shower and hoping that she has a good night's sleep. So pray for me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Good morning guys. I was editing yesterday's video and I realized it's a very short vlog. So I'm incorporating it today as well with it. So welcome to the next day. We have no idea what we're doing today, but I am making some chorizo con huevo for breakfast. I've showed you guys making that, so that's probably not what I'm going to show you, but yeah, let's get into today. But that was delicious. So I started doing my makeup. Oh my gosh, it's gonna drive me insane. A little gap right there. I always start it or do it while I'm actually cooking, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean up so that I can actually do my makeup. All right, so we're going to end up going out to eat, and she did not want to take a nap, so wish us luck. Ended up going to Five Below, Target, and Dollar Tree. Nothing crazy, but we did quite a bit of things, which is probably going to be the next video that you can see. So yeah, I'm going to film that real quick. Oh my gosh, I have a mess. I can't stand it. Alright guys, I'm actually about to take a shower and call it a night. I know I failed today at vlogging. Actually, I feel like the last 2 days I failed at vlogging. We just did so much stuff and tried to do so many things at the same time, like really fast. So yeah. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.